Sorry about that, guys. This is our first live stream, so we had some technical difficulties. I'm not sure where I lost you last, but I think we were talking about the bruschetta, and so we oh, there we go. Thank you. So I just wanted to point out, Chef took this actually on steam. You can hear that nice crispiness. So he did a 350 degree full combi. So we have 100% steam in there, and it did not get soggy because when you go higher temperatures, steam will get drier, and it helps to drive the. There we go. Helps to drive the heat through the product, and it crisps it up at the same time. Nice. All right. So this is just trying to showcase some different items, different technologies. So while we were offline, the cookies came out, the sandwiches came out. So Chef's plating up the sandwiches right now. And that was, what was it, Chef, like 3 minutes?
Yes.
To take that from, I'll grab a piece of the, so this is what it went in at. So just a real nice light, but unfinished, and that's how it came out. So 3 minutes. And then we're also doing some cookies, which we'll grab those in just a minute. But these we're cooking at the same time, and you're not going to have cookies that taste like tri-tip sandwiches, which may be good. I don't know. Something to think about. We also had all the items come out of our Converge. So we had, we'll plate that up. What do we got, Chef?
Blackened salmon with roasted asparagus and blistered tomatoes.
Okay, so this was the asparagus from before that you did in the combi, and then you just did a quick roast on them?
Quick roast on them, correct.
So this is a really nice way to cook up several items at once. You can see all the different products that are coming out at the same time. So the multi-cook is amazing as far as the flexibility of it. That's why I really like the idea of combining the multi-cook oven underneath the combi oven. So you get the high volume of the combi and you get the flexibility of the multi-cook, and they work independently of each other. There's that beautiful dish, all cooked at the same time out of the Converge. And because the way that the technology is on these multi-cook ovens, it pulls the air towards the back. And so you can be opening up the door and closing it, and you're not going to be losing temperature. So you can go in and out of that oven. You can even just have it going. Say you wanted to set it to 475 and just have it run unlimited. You could do that and just have it go for an infinite amount of time. Be pulling pans in and out depending on the volume of your location that it's at.
I'm going to come right into it so you guys can see how moist.
Very nice. And then we'll grab the cookies as well. So these cookies, these were going at the same time as the sandwiches. They took a little bit longer, but you have independent timers, independent recipes. And these are some, these are s'mores cookies. So you got a graham cracker on the bottom. You have the marshmallow. Ben came up with these. Awesome. So these cooked at a lower airflow, and then we bumped it up at the last minute to 100% of the air. So get a nice little coloring on at the end. Kind of see that on the marshmallows there. So it's just a couple different items out of all these pieces in about an hour or so. And we do have our chicken that's in the holding cabinet, so we can come back to that. So this has been holding for about an hour now. We're going to probe it. Going to probe the chicken, see how that's been holding up. They were. The tomatoes went in. Were those on a convection setting, chef?
Yes,
Okay.
air and steam mode.
Go. So this has been about an hour. It's at 160 degrees and climbing. And because we're not heating up the heating element and forcing the air through the cavity, just picture if you turn on the heater in the wintertime, it dries out sinuses, nobody's comfortable, everything is dry. You don't want your product to go through that as well. So this maintains product integrity, just a very gentle radiating of heat, and that's in the walls of the cavity. So it's nice, insulated, radiates that in. We're not having to put cans of water in there to add moisture. It's all of the moisture from the product itself originally. And go ahead and cut up some of that, chef, if you don't mind. So yeah, right around 160s, about what it finished at. We do utilize this halo heat through several different pieces through our line. We have waterless wells. We have soup wells. This out of the way real quick. We have merchandisers that utilize the halo heat technology on a like an open air merchandiser, but for hot, so holding products like rotisserie chicken. In our wells, it's waterless, so you don't have to worry about drains. You reclaim all that space back underneath the well, and we do have one over off to the side that I can show you in a minute. That looks nice. And then on those shelves, they're all independently controlled, so you can control all the different levels of heat that you send. So there is the 1 hour holding rotisserie style chicken. If you want, I can roll one of these over just so we could see the. All right. Looks great, chef.
Thank you.
So we've put a waterless well into a rolling cart just for sake of demonstration purposes. But obviously, you could put this into a stainless steel countertop. This well will allow to not have any drainage underneath. You get back all of that space. You don't have to worry about leaks. It does have a controller that is right down here, and you would just set that well to whatever you need. We also do these in soup wells. So if you've ever had soup that gets a skin across the top of it, this is going to have a nice even heat. It's not going to be hot at the bottom and cold on top where it will skin over. So very nice, utilizes that same halo heat technology. And we have that in the holding cabinets and the cook and holds and the smoker, as well as the multi-cook ovens. Anything to add, chef? I think we touched on every piece.
On everything, yes.
Yeah. So really the big points to drive home is ease of use, ease of cleaning, and that technology, the halo heat that started it all with the holding cabinet, is going to keep the integrity of the product without drying it out. You're going to reduce your waste, your shrinkage, and we're here to help. Any questions that you have? I think that's it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good day.